Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A5m and let me show you how to allow unknown sources. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list, select security and privacy. Now go to more security and privacy settings, select installation sources, so here it is. And now you will be able to pick particular app, just give it a couple of seconds to load. So now you can pick particular app and just mark the indicator to allow from this source, then just mark allowed. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.